ACER Dynamic 21 Series Precision Engine Lathe. 10 great reasons to go ACER Dynamic 21 Series Lathe. 1. 10 horsepower. High efficient motor for high torque output. Machine provides 3-speed range, high, medium, low, and 18-step RPM. RPM range from 25 to 1545 RPM. 2. Headstock's rigidity and durability are derived from high tensile cast iron, FC25. It's built to last. Gears are made from chromium malonium steel, SCM21. They are treated by cementation and precisely ground to provide smooth and quiet running. Combination of forced lubrication and oil bath system in headstock prolongs life expectancy of gears and the spindle. 3. 3-point support on the spindle is the key to heavy cutting. 3 11/32" bored spindle is made from medium carbon steel S45C and induction hardened and ground to its final accuracy. It is supported by 3 fag bearing, 2 taper roller bearing, and 1 plain roller bearing to assure its accuracy and rigidity during heavy turning. 4. The bed and stand are made of one-piece heavy-duty 6,000 pounds behind cast iron, which are annealed to eliminate internal residual stress. It will provide more stability, which can resist vibration due to deep cutting. 5. Extra wide 13 3/4" constructed machine bedway are hardened and ground, more than Rockwell C55. Saddle is coated with Tersite B to provide wear resistance. With a forced lubrication system on the apron, the longitudinal and cross-traverse accuracy of the machine is maintained. 6. A uniquely designed gearbox offers a comprehensive range of inch and metric threads without changing gear. Metric threads: 0.5 to 7 threads per millimeter. Inch threads: 4 to 56 TPI. For example, we are cutting 7 threads per inch, so we combine D, A, 9. Output shaft is designed with safety pin to protect gearbox from damage. Seven. Automatic feeding and threading in apron are fully interlocked to prevent simultaneous engagement of both functions. 8. A 3-inch diameter quill graduated in inch and metric scale is made from low carbon steel, SCM4, and it is hardened and ground to its accuracy. Hardness of the quill is Rockwell C60. Rigid construction of the tailstock is able to facilitate heavy drilling and withstand heavy cutting. The stroke of the quill is 7 inches, the longest in its class. Tailstock quill with keyway lock to prevent from rotation with heavy drilling. 9. Simple laid-out electrical cabinet is easy to maintain and easy to fix problem. A safety 24-volt control voltage is standard to ACER Dynamic Lathe. 10. Best accessories package include 1. 4-way tool post. 2. 12-inch E128 3-jaw chuck and 4-jaw chuck. 3. Power cutoff chuck guard. 4. Halogen light. 5. Steady rest. 6. Longitudinal carriage stop. 7. Full-length splash guard. 8. 17-inch face plate. ACER builds 21-inch precision lathe with 4 different lengths: 40, 60, 80, and 120 inch. ACER provides the best solution for your precision turning application. We start with the most basic foundation for a machine: mass construction of behind-night casting with heavy rib. To resist flex and damp vibration, everyone is thoroughly inspected prior to machining to ensure it is free of flaw. Machine is equipped with 10 horsepower continuous motor to provide high torque and with 3 Timekin, 2 taper roller and 1 plain roller bearing for your heavy duty turning. All bedway are hardened and precision ground to ensure accuracy and long life of machine usage. Quality is our number one job. ACER, the name says it all. All ACER lathes are backed with the best service nationwide dealers network. ACER keeps an extensive parts inventory in stock at California and New Jersey's warehouse for immediate delivery. Check on our prices for these quality precision lathes. You will be surprised how affordable it is. Join with hundreds of ACER dynamic lathes happy users. Hope your next lathe will be ACER.